Welcome to House of Tech English. In today's video, I am going to guide you through some of the useful shortcuts which you can use in Finder. So let's say if your trackpad or mouse is not working, you can use these shortcuts to navigate between the files or to open Finder. Now, how can you do that? Let's take a look at it. First of all, my trackpad is working as you can see, but I'm going to guide you how can you use your keyboard shortcuts only. Now, first of all, how can you open Finder? For that, you can activate Spotlight search on your Mac. You can press command plus space bar and then you can activate Spotlight search. After that, you can search for Finder and you can press return button to open Finder. So this is how you can open Finder without using your trackpad or mouse. Now, once you open Finder, how can you navigate between the files? So you can use arrow keys to navigate. So currently you can see nothing is selected, but as soon as I press right key or down arrow key, it will bring highlight, or it will basically highlight the first application or whichever file is present in that particular folder. So it has highlighted App Store. Now if I want to go to Automator, I'm going to press right key. If I want to go down, I'm going to press down key. So this is how I can navigate between the files like this. Now let's say if you want to open any particular file, or if you want to go into any particular folder, or let's say currently I am on App Store. If I want to open App Store, I'm going to press command plus down arrow to open it, and now you can see it has opened the App Store. To quit App Store, all you can do is you can press command plus Q to quit the application, and it's done. Now let's say on this particular folder, if I want to go in download Safari, for that I'm going to use arrow key to navigate. So I am going to go on download Safari, and to go inside that folder I'm going to use command plus down arrow to go into that particular folder. Now to go back, press command plus up arrow and you will be back to the previous page. Similarly, you can do that with other folders as well. So let's say if we go in movies, so if I want to go in movies, press command plus down arrow on your keyboard and you can go into that folder. Again, if I go in TV, go on TV and then press command plus down arrow and you can go inside that folder. Now to go back, press command plus up arrow and similarly you can go back. So this is how you can navigate between the folders using arrow keys, and now you know how you can go inside the folder and come back to the previous page. Now let's take a look at another shortcut which you can use. So let's say if you want to go to the options which are present on the sidebar. So all these options are present on the sidebar. So if you want to navigate over there, first of all you need to know the shortcut. So you can go in go option, and over here you can take a look at all the shortcuts which are there. So these are the options which are present on the sidebar. So currently I am on home page. So let's say if I am on music and I want to go to home page on the sidebar, I am going to press shift plus command plus H and it will take me to the home page. If I want to go to my computer or the location over here, for that you need to press shift plus command plus C and it will take me to that particular location. So you can find all these shortcuts over here in go option. So memorize these shortcuts. If in case your trackpad stops working, you can use these shortcuts. Now if you want to rename any particular file, let's go to home and let's go in download option. So let's say if I want to rename this file, first of all I'm going to select that file and press return key on keyboard. It will activate the edit option, and now you can rename it, and to save it once again you can press return button and it will save it. So this is how you can rename any particular file or folder. Now the next shortcut is related to search bar. Now let's say if you want to go to any particular file or folder directly without navigating in Finder, all you can do is you can activate search bar. So you can press command plus F in Finder and it will activate search bar and you can search for that particular file or folder. So let's say if I want to search for App Store, I'm going to search App Store and then press return key, and it will display all the options which are available for App Store. Now over here, to come out of that search tab, you can simply press tab button on your keyboard and you're good to go. Now you can press arrow key to navigate between the options. And over here you can see App Store is there. Now to open App Store, again command plus down key to go inside any particular folder or to open any particular app. To quit, command key. So this is how you can use search bar in Finder settings or Finder option to jump to any particular file directly. Now the last shortcut for today's video is about changing the view option. So now currently if I show, it is set to icon. You can choose from list, columns and gallery. Now to change it, the shortcut is given over here. So if I press command plus number key 2, it will be list view. If I press command plus 3, now you can see it is column view, right? And to navigate, you can use arrow keys over here. So it's simple. If you go to download Safari, this is the file. If I press right key, this is the file over there. If I want to go back on that previous over here, you just have to press left key and again we are back to that page. So this is how you can change the view option and this is how you can navigate in column view. Navigating in column view is actually very easy. So yeah, that's pretty much it about today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.